Hello all. Today I am going to present ISC 2 of Computer Architecture course, that is virtual memory. So let's see what is the virtual memory. Uh, these are the contents we will see in these slides. So virtual memory is, as the name suggests, it does not really exist like the RAM. It is the memory management technique which gives application the illusion it has contiguous memory working. It gives two illusions, that is, it the memory size seems infinite and the infinite number of processes can be performed by the virtual memory. So the main advantage or main use is that the by using disk space as extension of RAM, we can use the virtual memory. So why do we need virtual memory? As we know, the physical memory, that is RAM, it is limited. Generally, it is 16 GB. And for efficient multitasking, we need multiple processes to be run simultaneously without interference. So the memory resources need to be shared, and each process is needed to be isolated. And this cannot happen with the physical memory which is available. So how does the virtual memory works? Address space. Address space is uh, generated by the CPU. Uh, logical address space. Logical address space means the hard disk. The virtual to physical mapping means the operating system maps the virtual address to physical memory using page tables. The when there is need to be virtual memory is to be used, the operating system takes the charge from the user and it maps the logical address to the physical memory. So paging and page tables, when the CPU gives the logical address, then the address is verified by the page tables that what is the location of that address. If the address, if the page table does not consist that address, then invalid is the message generated by the page table. Then the actual working of virtual memory comes into picture. So here we can see how the virtual memory works. When there is the RAM is not sufficient and the address is generated by the CPU, the sum and the processes, that is isolated memory, the memory management systems gives the address uh, that is required by the CPU and takes the that process or that page and stores it into the page table. Uh, this process includes the charge to be transferred from the user to the operating system. Hence, it takes more time. This process is also called as swap in, that is roll in and roll out. The trap is generated when the page is not found. This is called as page fault. And the page fault is basically the interrupt. And this is the stage where the operating system takes the charge. And this uh, increases the efficient memory access time. How does the uh, pa- ro- page in or roll out occurs? These tasks happen with the help of different algorithms like first in, first out, least recently used, etc. And as the virtual memory gives benefits like illusion of infinite size and infinite number of processes, but also it has some disadvantages that are crashing and performance impact. As we know, the time required for this uh, uh, charge transfer from user to operating system and fetching fetching of the uh, page from the hard disk to the page table and then to the CPU. This process requires a large amount of time and hence the performance is decreased. So that's all. Thank you.